Welcome to 100 Seconds of Food News. My name is Bert Popping. I'm with FOCOS, Food Consulting Strategically.
And I'm Cesare Varallo from foodrelated.com, reporting for you from Turin.
Today, we start with a look at pathogen records found in the European RASFF system, the system for rapid alerts for foods and feeds. We'll take a closer look at the records from the beginning of this year. In the first 4 months of this year, RASFF showed 266 records of pathogens finding by the competent authorities. The vast majority of them being Salmonella. Salmonella was predominantly found in mussels, meat and sesame seeds. The highest number of cases was reported by Greece and Germany. If we compare the figures for Salmonella findings with those of the past years, the number is comparatively constant. What is noticeable, though, is that the number of cases of pathogen finding rises significantly in the last 4 months of each year. And this can not only be attributed to more seasonal pathogens like norovirus, but also the number of Salmonella cases actually increases. In Belgium, the Minister of Social Affairs and Health launched the Nutri-Score food product labeling. The system is intended to help consumers make healthier choices easily. Nutri-Score, however, has also been criticized regarding its consistency, since some companies reduce the serving sizes of certain products so unrealistically small amounts to obtain a better rating by the system. And now over to Cesare for a report on trans fats.
On 25th of April, the European Commission published the Regulation 649/2019 about limitation of trans fats in food. From 1st April 2021, all foods intended to be supplied to consumers in Europe or to retail establishments should not contain more than 2 grams of trans fats per 100 grams of fats, with exclusion, of course, of naturally occurring trans fats in food of animal origin. In US, the FDA published on its website a new page with a list of dietary supplements ingredients that might be of concern for human health.
Pret-A-Manger, the British sandwich company, has been in the headline after a 15-year-old girl with sesame allergy died after consuming one of the company's products. The British court dealing with the case ruled that the labeling of the sandwich had been inadequate. Pret-A-Manger will now start having labels with allergen information on each of its store-made products, and also stated that it will provide information online. Now some further headlines. 2 new devices for rapid on-site detection of pathogens and pesticides have come onto the market, allowing food manufacturers to test incoming materials rapidly without having to wait for laboratory results. And the European Parliament voted for more transparency when it comes to making food safety decisions. This will likely end the secrecy around industry data used by the European Union for granting market approvals. This has been a demand by independent scientists and consumer rights activists for many years. The European authorities had been strongly criticized when making decisions, for example, about certain pesticides, without allowing an independent assessment of the data on which the decision is based. The Food Fraud Network published its annual report. Fish and meat products topped the list, with mislabeling being the most frequent form of adulteration. Germany and France are the most active users of the network. And that concludes our 100 Seconds of Food News. Goodbye.